Welcome to TaxTron web tutorial video series. Today, we are delving into dividends. What exactly is a dividend? A dividend is a portion of a company's profits and retained earnings that it shares with its shareholders. When a company makes money, it can do two things with it. 1. Reinvest in the business. The company can use that money to grow the business. 2. Pay dividends to shareholders. It can give some of that money back to the people who own a part of the company. These payments are called dividends. Now, let's break down how dividends works. 1. Value per share. Dividends are calculated based on each share of stock you own. This means if you have more shares, you get a proportionally higher dividend. 2. Equality for shareholders. All shareholders in the same class, like common or preferred, receive the dividend equally. 3. Board approval. Before paying out any dividends, the company's board of directors needs to approve. 4. Declared and paid. When the decision is made, the dividend is officially declared. Then comes the payable date, which is the day shareholders actually receive the money. Moving on to the types of dividends. 1. Cash dividends. These are the most common. Shareholders receive actual money via electronic transfers or checks. 2. Stock dividends. Shareholders receive new company shares based on their existing ownership. Additionally, companies may distribute dividends in the form of assets like investment securities or physical assets, although this practice isn't widespread. Understanding the difference between dividends paid and dividends received is crucial. Dividends paid. This refers to the total amount of money a company has distributed to its shareholders as dividends. It's from the company's viewpoint, showing the funds it has allocated to shareholders. Dividends received. This is the total amount of dividends an individual or entity has received from owning shares in different companies. It's from the shareholders' perspective, indicating the income they've earned from their investment in company. That is a wrap for this video. In our next one, we'll explore how to report dividend paid and received on your T2 return. Thank you for watching.